Okay guys, in this tutorial, we'll deal with the errors. Realtek PCIe Gbe family controller, let's say it is not working, or IntelR wireless AC adapter, it's not working. So very simple, quick solutions for you guys. I hope it helps. If it do not help, you're going to look for some other solutions. And if it really helps you, share this video with your friends and family. So guys, you just have to open the command prompt as an administrator, so you guys know how to open the commands prompt. So the very first command that you're going to type is, here it is, ipconfig/+ts, and press enter key. So done with this. The second command that you're going to type is, so this is the second command that you're going to type. It's a netsh winsock and reset. So successfully reset winset catalog. Now you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So what you guys do, you just have to restart your computer. Now you're going to restart your computer, and I hope your network adapter will be working fine then after. If this is still persist, what you're going to guys do, you're going to type all these commands. So first two commands, you're going to restart your PC. If the issue still persists, come back to the same place, open the command prompt as an administrator and type the remaining commands one by one. You're going to make a note of it and you're going to type it one by one, all the commands, and hit enter key after typing each commands. So ipconfig/release/all/renew, set DNS, winsocket reset, netsh int IP reset log.txt. So after typing all these commands, see, everything needs to be working fine. So if this video is really helpful, do not forget to share with your friends and family.